Good morning, Miss Neville's math students. So today our first tutorial video will be on changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. So let's write that at the top of our page now. Ta-da! So we're going to be changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. We want to remember that a mixed number has a whole number with a fraction. It shows a whole number with a fraction. Okay, this is a mixed number. An improper fraction is where the numerator is larger than our denominator. Okay, and so this is a mixed number. And this is an improper fraction, okay? So today we're going to be working to change a mixed number, translate a mixed number to an improper fraction. So let's get to work. Okay. So we're going to be changing 2 3/5 to a mixed number. What we want to do here, we always want to think about math in steps, so that can always show me where I went wrong, okay? I want to multiply my denominator by my numerator, by my whole number, and then I want to add my numerator to that product that's given there. So this is step 1, step 2. Okay, we want to put our denominator that's here, that comes right over here as well. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And that's how we change that to an improper fraction. 2 times 5 was 10. And then 10 plus 3, which is our numerator, is 13. So we're going to put 13 over 5, 13/5. How do I check to make sure that my improper fraction actually is the same as my mixed number that I just changed, that I didn't make any mistakes? Here's how you do it. You're going to put your 5, your denominator, on the outside of your division house and your numerator inside the division house. 5, and perform long division. 5 times 2 is going to come closest to equaling 13 without going over. 5 times 2 is 10. I'll subtract, and my remainder here is 3. So 2 is my whole number, 3, my remainder, is my new numerator, and 5, my divisor, is my denominator. Okay, so that shows me that I did change my mixed number to an improper fraction correctly. I hope this helps. Bye.